Hey guys, what's up? This is Fuji for the win, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple Bukkit plugin using the Bukkit software. So I have Eclipse open and yeah. So let's get this over with. Yeah. Anyway, so you want to create a new Java. You want to right click over in this area and click new Java project. And wait for this to load, and then it should say create a Java project. Name it, you can name it whatever you want, but I'm just gonna call it tutorial. And next, let's see what they have in next. I'm not sure if you need to edit any of this stuff. No, you are good. Oh wait, okay, so you're gonna see some of these tabs up here. Go in the libraries and add external jars. And let me see if I can find it. You can get the spigot.jar from the Spigot website, I'm pretty sure. Or you can get Bukkit, which I have Bukkit, right here. So craft Bukkit, so you click on open, and it'll give you this craft Bukkit.jar thing. Okay, once that's done, then you click on finish. So once you have the tutorial thing, you can open this up and then click on this source package. And click on, and then type in new package. You name it me, and then like your username or whatever. You can do com or what, I don't know. I just like doing me.fuji for example. And then you right click on that package, new file, name it tutorial.java. You need the .java on the end, otherwise it won't work and it'll just become a text file. Okay, finish. Alright, so once you have created your simple thing, your Java file, you're gonna want to type in the package first thing. So package space me.fuji. This will load. Okay. So once you got the me.fuji, you can just skip down a couple lines. Oh yes, and we do need one other thing before we start this. So in your main project file, you're gonna do new file again and call it plugin.yml, and the YML is essentially needed. Finish. So then you can open that up and it'll load this. Close that out. So you're gonna type in a couple things in here, and this is gonna be the main file for your plugin. So whenever you type in like /? Tutorial, it'll give you a list of commands. So that's what's going to go here. So you're going to type in name and tutorial main wait no, hold on. Trying to remember what this is. Oh yeah, me.fuji tutorial. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And let me see. Oh yeah, version. You could do 1.1.0.0. And then you want to do commands. And then you click on enter. 1, 2, 3 spaces. And then we're just going to call this command message. Well, you know what? I'll do that later. So then you save that. Go back into your Java thing. So now that you kind of edited the plugin.yml, we don't really have to worry about that for a little bit. Okay, so for every plugin or Java file, you're always going to need a class. So public class, and then you're going to want your name of the plugin. So right here in the Java file, you're going to want that extends Java plugin. Oh wait, and then you're gonna want this to have an open curly brace and press enter. So then, if you have our Java plugin right here, let's say import Java plugin org.bukkit.plugin.java. You want to click on that, and then it'll do an import. That's what you want, so it's not bad or anything. Next, you're gonna do public. Oh wait, no, we need the at override. So do that little at symbol and then put override. Public void on enable open brackets and close brackets curly brace again. So then this is when the plugin is enabled in the server log or whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna do get logger like that, and you got to make sure that this is a capital L and capital E. That's the whole thing with Java. You need to make it absolutely the caps and lower cases sometimes matter. So then you're gonna do a dot right after it. Wait for it to load. You're gonna type in info, and then as you can see it says info string MSG. So you delete this MSG thing and put in quotation marks, and then you can say tutorial has been enabled. Alright, so once you got that to work, you can just do get logger. Oh wait, no, we don't need to do another one. Okay, so then you come down here below this curly brace, do another at override, do public void on disable and braces again, open curly brace, get logger info. And if I'm going too fast for you guys, then you can just like stop the video and then do whatever I'm doing. Then you want to do tutorial has been disabled. You can basically type it whatever you want and write in these text messages. Those don't really matter. Sometimes they do. Okay, so I'm gonna go down a little farther. Okay, so this is when you get to your kind of complicated stuff. Can't remember um, the command right off the top of my head, but I do have it right here. So let me copy that. And okay, so what you're gonna type is public boolean on command. Remember the C is capital. Command sender. You can name whatever you want. You can name these whatever you want. You just have to remember them. So I can name this S if I wanted. And CMD, that's okay. Command CMD. String label. String open close brackets and then arcs, and then that opens up. Okay, so that's good right there. And give me, oh yeah, okay, so then we need to type in return true false. So then it's returning a false to the boolean. Okay, this is when we create our command name. So if we type in if cmd dot get name and then equals, now you can do equals or equals ignore case. I do equals ignore case because if you just do equals, then it has to be exactly like the same case. Like it can't be all capital; it has to be lowercase. And equals ignore case means that it could be this or it could be that. So we're gonna call this command. Let's just call it hello, I guess, for a test. Then out here you're gonna type in, and then you're gonna do another curly brace. And there you go. There you have your main command. So whenever someone types in hello, it's going to do absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay. So now we need to register the player. And I'm not going to do how to, if the player is not, like, if the sender is not a player. I'm not going to do that, but, well, I don't know. I might. Yeah, so player P, you can name this whatever you want, player P, whatever, and then you can do S because the S is up here. So, import org.bucket.entity player right there. And there is your main thing. Why is it gonna be an error? It's giving me. Oh, I think you need to place it out here. No? Okay, I don't know why it's giving me that error. We'll worry about that later. So if you type in player dot. Oh, it went away. Okay. Send message. It gives you this little thing that pops up, and then you're gonna do quotation marks. Now you can just say, if you wanted to add like special chat color stuff, you can do chat color dot, and then you can use all these colors here. I'm going to do gold. Where's gold? There we go. Okay, gold. And then you're going to do a plus sign. So whatever you type in here is going to be gold. So we're going to type in hello player and then comma. Then you're going to add a space right there. Space again outside of the quotations. Plus player dot get name. So this is getting the player's name. And if you want, you can make this chat color dot red. And then you're gonna add another plus sign and chat color dot gold. And then you're gonna add an exclamation point. So I think chat color what? Chat color. Oh yeah, need a plus sign right there. Okay. So you can type out this, you can type in whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. And there you go. You basically, oh yeah, you also need to add a return true inside of this cmd.getName. Inside the command, you need to add a return true. Otherwise, it'll retype the command back to you, and you don't want that. Alright, now that you have your simple command done, now you're going to go into the text document again and do 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. And we called the command hello. Enter again, 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to type in description. And then you can type in whatever you want. Hello to the player. And then gonna do 6 spaces, usage slash hello. Actually, let's do slash command. Alright, so then you're gonna save this plugin.yml. Alright. Now, what you want to do now is click this save all button up here. Just click that. And now that you got this all set up, you're gonna right click, let me close that. So you're gonna click on this package, not the package, the Java project. Right click on it, and then click on export. Click on jar, well, it's probably gonna look like this for you. Right, click on Java, jar file, next. Uncheck this class path, we don't want that. And then you can browse here wherever your server plugins are, or like in the plugins directory of your server. You can just name it tutorial and then save, finish. Now you might get an area that the plugin.yml is not in there. It really is. Doesn't always work. Okay. So now that I've got this done, let me start the server. Okay, so now the server is now starting up. So we're going to wait for this to load and see if we can see the get logger thing that I was showing you guys how to do. And yeah, so wait for this to load. Okay, we don't need to worry about that. That's just a simple warning error that the server might not be as fast as it's supposed to be, but that doesn't matter. Starting the version 1.8, the server's using Bukkit, blah blah blah. Server's creative. It's gonna start shooting a whole bunch of stuff out. Wait, I think I got something. Okay, tutorial.java cannot find main class made.fuji tutorials. Alright, let me go back in here. Other one set up. So this is my other plugin that I created. It's called Medieval Kit PHP. I don't really I don't have all this memorized, so I have to get it. This thing is so slow. Let me close out a couple things I don't need. Okay, so I figured out why it wasn't working. I spelled tutorial wrong. So let me see. Tutorial, export, get rid of the class path, finish. It's already saved in there. I don't care if the plugin.yml is not working because it is working. Okay. So I'm getting an error because of WorldGuard. Yeah, so yeah, okay. So the plugin worked. Let me see where the thing is. Tutorial has been enabled. Okay, yeah. So we got it working. So now let me show you in game how this command works. Okay, guys. Now that I'm in game, I can show you what the plugin does. So right here, if you type in /?, should give you a list of plugins. Yeah, there we go. Let's find our plugin called tutorial. Okay, so yeah, so this is the tutorial, and as you saw in the plugin.yml, we said it says hello to a player. Sorry about the Skype noises. And so if you type in /hello, like we told it to, it shall say hello player Fuji for the win, and that's what we wanted it to. So thank you guys for watching this Java tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I shall leave the website to ImpactVirtual in the description, and my website and YouTube and all that stuff. So thank you guys for watching this video.